Hi lovelies, today for you I have a cute nail art using just nail tape, so let's get started. First off, you want to paint your nails using the color of your choice. Mine is white, I love white nails. Anyways, then you're going to need obviously nail tape. I have here 3 nail tapes that are like 3 different sizes, perfect for this nail look. Also I picked these glittery like rainbow ones. I absolutely adore them, they look beautiful, they look even better in person. Then you want to get a little like nail trimmer or whatever, like cuticle trimmers, anything, scissors, and you want to measure and just cut the nail tape to your sizing. And then once your nail polish is fully dry, you want to apply it on your nail because this is sticky, so it will stick to your nail. And if you made it a little bit longer, that's okay, you can always trim it later once you apply it to the nail. And this is so easy, but the end result is beautiful. I love how it looks. Honestly, I got so many compliments and people didn't even know what was on my nails. They were like, what, that shiny like thing? I'm like, it's nail tape. So here is the look, and then I'm going to apply some cuticle oil. I love this one. This is almond oil, and they have videos on how important the oils are for your nails, so check that out. I will have everything that I used in the description box below. Here is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Watch some of my other videos until the next one, and I will talk with you guys very soon. Bye!